The Top Producer Workshop, brought to you by Icenhower Coaching Consulting, is an event like you've never seen before. During the event, you'll have Brian Icenhower, CEO of ICC, and some of his elite coaches go through the simple sales techniques, technology platforms, models and systems that the top agents, teams, and brokerages are using to expedite their business to greatness. This 4-hour course is jam-packed with value and takeaways. The best part is it's absolutely no cost to you, and you will leave there not only with ideas and notes, but an actual action plan that you can implement into your business today. We're always adding events to our schedule, so be sure to check out our website, therealestatetrainer.com, to find a location near you, or give us a text at 805-980-7027. This event will fill up fast, so do you and your business a favor and get registered at the link below today. We look forward to seeing you there.